Paying with debit card on Alibaba is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can pay with debit slash Visa card on Alibaba. Well, the process is pretty simple. In order to do that, you simply have to go to Alibaba's website, which should be alibaba.com. Now here you simply have to select any of the product that you want to buy. Suppose you want to buy this phone, so you just have to select that product and simply, uh, first of all start an order request. Now we just have to create the order request, and after creating the order request, what you will do is you will actually be able to pay using different payment methods. Now the payment method will include your debit card, credit card, or other payment methods as well. So if you go and type in Alibaba, and there you go, and there we're going to type in Alibaba payment methods. Now, as you guys can see, these are the payment methods which are accepted on Alibaba. It include PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Afterpay slash Google Pay, and debit or credit card, which means you won't have any problem putting your Visa card as a payment method on Alibaba. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.